Okay. Cap the glue like you were just talking about. And no, you know what I'm going to do? Well, I can mark center. Let me mark center. I would require a ruler. Okay, so what I've got is my 6 right here. And I've got 4 1/4, and I've got 8 1/4. So that's 1 2 1/4, and this is 1 2 1/4. Now, if I can find my pencil that I've laid down, I'm just going to mark it at that 6. Now, they do make centering rulers, and I have at least 2 of them. Do I know where they are? Nope. Okay, now the next thing that I need to do, though, is I need to measure how far in I want to come. And I think I want to come in 1/4 inch. So, I'm going to go ahead and draw that line. And that's going to be the center of what I want to cut out. I know, it's fiddly. But I guess I'm feeling fiddly today. And this is just my this is a 1 3/4 inch circle punch. So I want to line my line up, and there's a little indentation right there that's in the center, and I want to get my line on that indentation and on my quarter mark. And shoot myself in the nose with the with punch outs. Okay, there we go. I got a little bit. Well, I can go take that off. Because I didn't quite go in far enough. Yeah, I know y'all are leaving me now. Y'all go ahead. I'm about done with the video. Do it that way so it won't. There we go. So that should be in the center and 1/4 inch deep. So if I do them all that way, they should look standard. Okay, well, I'm tired. Oh, good. Okay. So I guess we'll just stop this for the day and see you next time.